with the white sauce that we've been making, another idea, and what I've done, is to make a savory crepe. And this will be a chicken crepe. And in this bowl, I have some cream cheese and some chicken and some, what was that spice?
Poultry seasoning.
Yeah, a little bit of poultry seasoning. Which I will.
But you have used just savory.
Yeah, I use savory, but it's hard to find. But poultry seasoning would probably be all right. And I just roll it up and then top it with the sauce that also has a little bit of that seasoning.
So it's just the white sauce and
White sauce with a little bit of the poultry seasoning and
chicken. Do you have any chicken?
and chicken bouillon.
Yeah.
How much white sauce for that?
That was about a half cup. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yummy.
So we'll taste it in a minute.
That was fast.
Yeah, that was.
Sure part.
Oh, it's so tender, Bonnie.
That's the nice thing about a crepe.
That's very good.
That is delicious.
Maybe I did it.
I think that's
Yeah,
as good
I
as
think
an
it's good.
enchilada, and it's quicker.
That's really good.